As always, high five. Hey kids. Well, no, I got to film my After the 5. Do they want to be in After the 5? I'm filming it right now. It's like a bonus video. Can we see you, David? Or you're gonna have to stand right there. You gotta look at the camera. Wave hi. Hi. Okay.
Hi, I'm David.
Yes, you're David.
I love 3D printers.
Oh, okay. And there's the dog. Look at that. There we go. Okay.
Hi, little boy.
Okay. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I just reviewed this printer. It's the one that made all these prints.
Whoa.
It's very big.
He's my favorite.
You like the Moon City?
Yeah.
How come?
It's cool and very detailed.
It is cool and very detailed. Oh, he's still scared. Maybe you take him downstairs.
I like this.
You're talking to my microphone right here so they can hear you.
I like this.
That's a Christmas tree.
I like the octopus.
You like the octopus. He said, be careful with him. Okay. Hey, Riley, talking to my microphone. Which part do you like?
I like the Moon City.
The Moon City. Do you want to keep that in your room?
Yeah.
Okay, you can keep that in your room.
Yay. Mine.
Okay, I guess you're going to take it right. And David, you're going to keep the white Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go put him in your room.
Yay.
You want Om Nom, Sid?
Yes, please.
Okay, and Sid gets Om Nom.
What's on that?
You can have the octopus, yes.
Can I have this?
Sure. Go ahead. Why, you can put it on the desk. Okay, go have fun with Om Nom.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm going to finish filming my After the 5, okay?
Okay.
Hey, all you supporter people. Yeah, this was so tough. This review was so tough. I've had this printer forever, and I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to say at all. But then I thought, you know what? It's time. I need to get this review done. And I can pass this to someone else in the community. And Keith, Tinker is on the Twitters. He's gonna take this and he's gonna put it through the paces. And I think he will. You all right over there, Sid? Yeah. Okay, can you put it? Just go that way, because his leg was kicking out. So take him downstairs.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, you made a mess. Thanks.
I'll pick it up.
I bet you will. But I have too many 3D printers, let's be honest. And I need to cycle through content a little faster. I think that while this is a good machine for certain people, I don't think this is a machine for me, or the type of machine that I need to show off on my YouTube channel. I think that someone like Angus Maker's Muse or Tom Sandladerer, I believe that they would be able to put in the times necessary to configure this and to get this going. It's just, I mean, you have to know your audience, and I hope you guys understand that I'm not poo-pooing all over this machine. I think it's valuable. I think that it's a good machine. I think that it's a competitively priced machine for what it is. I just don't think that, I don't think it's for me, and I don't think it's for my audience as far as consistent usage goes. So Keith, Tinkers, down at Protopasta, buddy, I will get this to you as soon as I can fit it in my car. I mean, here's the thing, right? The all-in-ones, the printers, CNCers, laser engravers, I'm just not a fan. I want a printer to print really well, and I want a CNC machine to be able to mill really well, and I want a laser engraver to cut and engrave really well. Yes, it's got a big bed, and the laser engraver, I bet it's going to work great when Keith uses it, but I'm just not going to do it because I just don't care. You guys, I just don't care. Thanks for picking up that stuff, Sid. Okay, I'll be down in a sec.
Okay. Bye, supporters.
She said bye. Oh, another thing, I didn't really want to bring this up in the review, but maybe I should have. The BL Touch failed on this. And I spoke to my contact at Formbot, and they said, oh, okay, you'll want to contact BL Touch. What kind of customer service is that? I mean, I didn't buy it through BL Touch. Why? I'm just sour. I did have taco time today though, so that's good. And I am working from home. That's good. I am so thrilled to get this done. Oh, this was holding me back like crazy. Oh, like crazy. Oh, okay. Okay, this will go to someone else. Onward and upward, inward and outward. Spinning, always spinning. Throw some love to Sean. He's awesome. See you guys in the next one.